बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरी उन तमाम दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि जिन्होंने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आने वाली तमाम वीडियोस आप तक पहुंच सके। थैंक यू।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम लिखेंगे पैराग्राफ नंबर 41। तो रेडी हो जाए इसके लिए। लाहौर कॉलन द लाहौर हाई कोर्ट ऑन वेडनेसडे granted pre-arrest bail to leader of the opposition in the National Assembly Shehbaz Sharif and restrained the National Accountability Bureau from arresting him till June 17 for investigation into allegations of money laundering and assets beyond means full stop. However, refusing to give any let up to the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz president after he secured pre-arrest bail, NAB re-summoned him for June 9 for the same probe full stop. Just a day ago, a NAB team had raided the model town residence of Mr. Shehbaz to arrest him after he skipped appearance before a combined investigation team of the Bureau full stop. However, the raiding team could not find him there and returned empty-handed full stop. New paragraph. On Wednesday, a large number of party workers had already gathered at the LHC when Mr. Shehbaz arrived around 12 p.m. to attend proceedings of his bail petition before a two-judge bench. Senior PMLN leaders, including Shahid Khaqan Abbasi, Ahsan Iqbal, Rana Sanawla Khan, Khwaja Saad Rafiq, Tariq Fazal Chaudhry, Maryam Aurangzeb and Uzma Bukhari, also arrived at the court before the hearing. A heavy contingent of police was deployed in and outside the court, while barricades were erected in the surrounding area, apparently to stop political workers from reaching the court full stop. A police team intercepted the vehicle of former Law Minister Rana Sanawla Khan on the Mall Road and asked him for a search for stop. The parliamentarian, who had been facing trial in a drug case, offered resistance and said he would let the police search his vehicle only in the presence of media persons, full stop. Later, he was allowed to proceed, full stop. New paragraph. Lahore High Court Bar Association President Tahir Nasrullah Wadaish and Shehbaz Sharif's lawyers took up the matter of roads blockade with the LHC authorities, and the hurdles were removed after a while. The courtroom was packed to its capacity when the bench commenced hearing of the bail petition. The security personnel failed to enforce COVID-19 standard operating procedures, including social distancing, inside the courtroom. Where is the petitioner? Justice Muhammad Tariq Abbasi asked the lawyers standing behind the rostrum. Advocate Azam Nazir Trad told the bench that the petitioner was present in the court. He said his client was a cancer patient. New paragraph. Justice Abbasi, who headed the LHC bench, asked the counsel whether the petitioner had apprehension about his arrest by NAB. With an answer in the affirmative, the counsel said NAB had also arrested the petitioner on October 5, 2018 in the Punjab Ashiana Iqbal housing scheme case when he appeared before the investigators in the Saf Pani Company case, full stop. He said the Bureau kept the petitioner in custody for 63 days and also caused his arrest in another case of the Ramzan sugar mills while it failed to establish any charge against him, full stop. He said NAB, once again, wanted to arrest the petitioner, full stop. The judge asked NAB special prosecutor Faisal Buhari whether the prosecution would say something or act like a silent spectator, full stop. Mr. Buhari said NAB would oppose the bail petition, full stop. New paragraph. Justice Abbasi questioned the delayed attempt of NAB to arrest the petitioner when the prosecutor said the warrant for the arrest was issued on May 28 and he was summoned for June 2, full stop. It seems that the NAB does not want to arrest the petitioner, the judge expressed his wonder, full stop. The bench allowed the pre-arrest interim bail to Mr. Shahbaz, restraining NAB from arresting him till June 17, full stop. It also issued notice to the Bureau for submission of a detailed reply, full stop. Mr. Shahbaz was ordered to furnish bail bonds of rupees 500,000 with the Deputy Registrar of the High Court, full stop. As the bench granted bail to the opposition leader, the party workers broke into chants of gratitude, ignoring the decorum of the court, full stop. The bench expressed serious displeasure and warned the petitioner's counsel that the bail granting order could be withdrawn due to the conduct of PMLN workers, full stop. New paragraph. On Tuesday, NAB had raided Model Town residence of Mr. Shahbaz and PMLN lawmaker Suhail Shaukat's house in Barki area to arrest the PMLN president after he skipped a hearing, full stop. The NAB team had stopped the search after raiding 2 places on Tuesday and did not try to arrest him before Mr. Shahbaz managed to reach the LHC on Wednesday morning, full stop. The PMLN leader left for the court from Model Town and NAB did not place its team there, a source told Dan, full stop. He said the NAB had deployed its team only at the LHC, waiting for its verdict on the bail plea, full stop. It seems that Mr. Shahbaz was deliberately given time to get to the court to plead for his bail, he said, full stop. The source added that it was not clear whether Mr. Shahbaz had managed to escape by the time the NAB team and police reached there on Tuesday, or he was in his house in Model Town and NAB team was told to return by some quarters, full stop. New paragraph. NAB has accused the opposition leader of transferring the PMLN funds to his own bank accounts and making a monumental increase in his assets over the last 20 years and the property, full stop.